afternoon, class. My name is Daniel. Today I will introduce the poem Who Taught the Boat by Jane Taylor. Who taught the bird to build her nest of wool and hay and moss? Who taught the heart to weave it best and lay the twigs across? Who taught the busy bee to fly among the sweetest flowers and lay her store of honey by to last in winter showers? Who taught the little ants the way each narrow hole to bore? And through pleasant summer day together of each store, twas God who taught them all the way and gave their little skills. He teaches children when they pray to do